Now to a THV 11 Morning Original. These are stories you will not see anywhere else. Now, in moments of crisis, people often don't know where to turn. Now, a partnership between the state, Pulaski County, and UAMS is providing some help. Instead of being on a path to jail, it's putting people on a path toward healing. Michael Aaron has a closer look in today's edition of Mind Matters.
This is a place of hope and healing.
We are really focused on the concept of recovery.
A place helping people in their darkest moments.
The second people hit the door, we're thinking positive, helping them identify their sort of short-term recovery goals.
Since opening its doors in 2018, the Pulaski County Regional Crisis Stabilization Unit has treated about 2,000 people. The 16-bed facility is staffed by UAMS providers, including clinical psychologist Dr. Lisa Evans.
I've just always been really drawn to people who are sort of at their worst. It's easy to help because there's so much to be done.
Evans says the goal is to help law enforcement divert people from the justice system when they're facing chemical dependency or a psychiatric crisis.
We work really closely with police officers to have just immediate access to care. So if they're encountering somebody, an officer who's trained in crisis intervention can go and encounter that person, engage them, and quickly get them to us.
The unit is an alternative to the emergency room or jail. Once here, patients not only get the immediate medication and intervention they may need, the staff also works to identify barriers to long-term recovery.
Transportation, ID, insurance, those seem like simple things, but they're not.
The average stay is about 3 days, but they hope it's just the beginning of a person's healing.
We try to make sure everybody has a destination, whether that's an appointment with the local community mental health center or goes straight into residential rehab.
Though the work is hardly easy, Evans says it's absolutely worthwhile.
It's just really, really rewarding to see people come here, and when they leave, they are better, even though it's 3 days later.
Michael Aaron, THV 11 News.
The Crisis Stabilization Unit is open 24/7 for anyone in crisis. It's located on West Roosevelt near the Pulaski County Sheriff's Office.